Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today I'm gonna talk about something important in this video that has been ignored by all, and that is something important for all of us to make lengthy sentences. As you can see on the screen, these are lengthy sentences, and as we all know that to write these kind of sentences is not everyone's cup of tea. But don't worry, I'm here to help you, to assist you, and you will be able to write such kind of lengthy and attractive sentences. As you can see on the screen, I have underlined some clauses. These are clauses. Many of you may not know about that. These are clauses. Yes, these are clauses. These are non-finite clauses. Or what is the difference between finite and non-finite clauses, that I will talk about as well. What for the time you can understand that these kind of clauses play an important role in lengthy sentences. So I'm gonna talk about these non-finite clauses, but before that, maybe you have gone through some kind of finite clauses, like in some videos I talked about these finite clauses. I feel that this area has too much development. Here the underlined clause is finite clause, because in this we have finite verb has, and we have subject as well. So this is finite clause, but the upper one, these are non-finite clauses. First of all, we talk about non-finite subordinate clauses. We have four kinds of subordinate clauses which are non-finite, like to infinitive clause, bare infinitive clause, ing participle clause, and past participle clause, and we will talk about them one by one. In this video I'm going to talk about only two infinitive clause. So let's start it. Now just look at this first example. To make moral judgments is to be judgmental. Here the underlined clause is to infinitive clause. It is starting with to infinitive, to make, and this one is to infinitive clause. And as you can check here, this clause is working as a subject in the sentence. So to infinitive clauses can be used as a subject in the sentence. Next one, what to eat at Christmas is difficult question, and what to eat at Christmas is also subject here, this clause and to infinitive clause. It means the two infinitive clauses can be started with WH words as well. Next one, I just want you to alter the scenario very slightly. Here you to alter the scenario very slightly. This one is to infinitive clause and it is working as an object in the sentence. Next one, I hesitate to mention this. So this one is also to infinitive clause. The underlined clause is also to infinitive clause. So the point is that the two infinitive clauses can be used in the sentence as a subject, as an object, as a complement, and as an adjunct. So you can check here that the two infinitive clauses play their important role to make sentences complex and to make lengthy sentences. Now look at these two sentences I used earlier in this video. I hesitate to mention this. I just want you to alter the scenario very slightly. Here I have taken these two examples to show you the difference. The difference is that in first sentence, to mention this one is clause without its subject. We don't have any subject of this clause. It is just to infinitive clause without subject, without overt subject. But in the second sentence, I just want you to alter the scenario very slightly. In this to infinitive clause, this clause has subject of its own, you. Here you is subject. So it means to infinitive clause can have its own subject and cannot have its own subject.